Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Can you please explain it again, sir?
Okay. So this converse of theorem one, remember theorem one, this is what it was saying. Let's say, okay, let's say this triangle ABC is the triangle that you are given. And then we are also given that PQ is parallel to BC. We are also given this. Then, now proportionality theorem can apply. Now you can say the ratio A P over P B is equal to AQ over QC. You can conclude saying this if you are given that these lines PQ and BC are parallel. But now, what is being said by this corollary or this theorem is this: if now you are given that the ratios are equal, you can conclude by saying these lines are parallel. If, for instance, you are now given that AP, which is the ratio for this, over PB, if you are given that AP over PB is equal to AQ over QC, then now you can conclude by saying that line PQ is parallel to BC. Then you state your reasoning that there is a line that divides these two sides of a triangle proportionally. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Because hey, we will never know. It might be there on Monday. But okay, if you say it makes sense, then you can continue.
I'm
Hey,
sure, sir.
it will be there on Monday, but no, I believe in you. Okay. Then there is corollary. This corollary is saying a line drawn through midpoints of this. If this line PQ bisects this line, and again it bisects this one, then this line again is parallel to this one. Does this corollary make sense again to you?
No, sir. Please explain it again.
Okay. So indeed, this corollary is saying for this statement here, uh, let me maybe use some interesting color. It's saying a line drawn, this line is drawn through, this is the important part, midpoint of two sides of a triangle, that part. If this line is drawn through the midpoint of AB, it means that that line bisects the line AB. It cuts AB into two equal parts, therefore AP will be equal to PB. Again, it is drawn through the midpoint of AC. Therefore, this line AQ will be equal to the line QC. Then, if this line is equal to this line, and this line is equal to this line, again, you can conclude by saying this line is parallel to this one. You get it now.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then, what else? So here we've got this example, example 5, it is saying in the sketch alongside in that triangle ABC, we are given that AP is 12 units, we are given that PB is 8 units, and AQ is 15, and QC is 10 units. Now, prove that uh, PQ, which is this line, now we are required to prove that PQ is parallel to BC. So what you are going to do, since in this triangle you are given all the sizes of the sides AP, PB, AQ, and QC, you are going to use the converse of theorem 1, the converse of proportionality theorem, using those ratios. If the ratio of this side is equal to the ratio of this side, therefore this line is parallel to this one. This is what we are going to do. You will say AP over PB is equal to, what is AP is 12, PB is 8. Then now you simplify this. What is this? This is 4 goes there. How many times? 3 times. Here it goes 2 times. Okay. And then you go again for the other side, which is A Q over QC. Then it's 15 over 10. Then you can say 5 into 15, 3, 5 into 10 is 2. Therefore, now you can see that AP over PB is equal to AQ over QC. They are both equal to 3 over 2. Now you can conclude now by saying PQ is parallel to BC. Then you state this reason that there is a line that divides two sides of a triangle in proportion. Does it make sense?
Yes, it does.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. So when
Oh,
stating the reason, do we have to always add the thingy, the parallel lines?
pardon?
Like in the first, in the um, in the theorem, the original one.
The proportionality theorem.
Yes, so
The one that we used to say prop
top theorem. Yes, sir.
them, then yes, this one you state the parallel lines.
Okay, sir.
Oh yes. Then let's proceed to another example. So now we have this. Now you are the one who is going to tell me what I have to do in order for me to do this problem. So in the sketch alongside, we are given AB. Okay, we can see AB there is 9 meters and BC there is 6
Yes.
meters. Okay, and then we're also given something here, AD is equal to 3 over 5 AE. Then now we are required to prove that the line GD, which is this one, we are required to prove that is parallel to this line FE. What do you think we can do now here to prove that this line is parallel to that one?
So, sir, I would say AB over BC.
You would
AB,
say AB over,
BC
okay,
is equal to AG over
is equal,
GF.
is equal to AG.
AG over
AG
GF
over GF. Okay.
is equal to 9 over 6.
Is equal to 9 over 6, which is
And then prop
5
theorem.
over 2. Okay, then your reasoning important. Prop
Prop theorem.
theorem
BG is parallel to CF.
G 100% correct. Yes, okay. And then
And then since I have the values of AG and GF now, I would say um okay, I would say AG over GF is equal
A,
to
you would
AG
say AD or AG.
AG
Oh, okay, you are saying AG,
over GF
AG,
over GF
AG over GF, okay?
is equal to 9 over 6, which is equal to 3 over 2.
Is equal to, okay, 3 over 2, okay?
And then A over D, AD, I mean over DE.
Okay, you are saying AD over DE,
DE
okay? AD over DE, okay?
Is equals to, isn't it equals to the same thing, the same value?
How and from where? Where does that come from?
AB.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, sir. I'm
Okay, good.
confused.
So you are also given this information here, right? So with that information, this is what you can do. You can just no. Uh, where's my pencil now? You can just say uh let me just do this. I didn't want this working to appear there. So, but you can use that information right there by dividing by that AE on both sides. Therefore, you will have AD over AE. Then you will be left on the right hand side as 3 over 5. Does this part here make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then now from here, you now know that AD is 3 here. But AE as a whole is 5
Is
from that information. Therefore, now you can get this as 5 minus that 3 is 2. Then now you can substitute this information to this part by saying, okay, my AD is 3, my DE is 2.
2.
Therefore, now this ratio here is equal to that ratio. Then now you can conclude by saying GD
GD is
is
parallel to
parallel
FE.
to FE, reason being,
Line divides two sides of a triangle in prop.
all right, yes, the line divides whatever two sides of a triangle in proportional or in proportion, whatever. And then now you can just cook your English there. Then let's proceed to the next question. What's happening now? Uh, can you see my screen that side? It seems like there's a lot
Yes, sir,
happening.
I can.
I don't know now why my screen is freezing. It's just quiet. Can I please maybe do this? Uh, can you still see it? Oh, okay. Now I
Yes,
can
but
move.
it, yeah.
A lot is happening. What's happening here with my? Let me rub this. Uh, okay, cool. Okay. Then I can proceed to the next example. Okay. Then I close there. I go to example 7. Then you've got example 7 here, whereby we are still here required to prove the parallel lines. We are given some information of parallel lines. In this case, we are not given some sides, the length of some sides. We are only given parallel lines. So how do you think we can prove that PQ is parallel to BC, given that PS is parallel to BR? And also given that SQ is parallel to RC.
So, sir, by stating that AP over PB is equal to AS,
Given,
that AP over PB is equal to AS over SR, and
you are
then
saying you are saying AP over PB, okay,
is equal to AS
is equal to AS
over SR.
over SR, okay, or SR.
That's prop theorem.
Yes, then you state the prop
the
theorem,
parallel lines.
prop theorem, and then you state your parallel lines that PS is
And
parallel
it's
to
parallel to
BR.
BR.
Oh,
Then I
okay,
would
fine.
say, and then I would say AS over SR is equals
You
to
must say, you
AQ.
will say AS
AS over SR
over SR, okay?
is equals to AQ over QR.
AQ over QR, okay?
It's also prop theorem.
It's also a proportionality theorem. Then you state your parallel lines being SQ
SQ
is parallel to RC.
parallel to
Oh,
QR.
okay.
And then we have a common side on the first one that we proved, which is AS over SR, which also appears on the second one.
This one, eh?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, you now can
So
conclude. Okay, okay, let me listen. Okay, yes.
yes, so therefore I can conclude that AP over PB
AP over PB
is equals to AQ over QR.
is equal to AQ over QR. Okay.
Therefore, PQ is parallel to BC.
Therefore, PQ is parallel to BC. And then you state
And
this
then
is
lines divide two sides of triangle in prop. Yes, sir.
100% correct. 100% correct. I'm now sharing that up to you. You're going to nail it on Monday. I believe in you. Then, so yeah, that's the same thing that you will do even with this one because now here you are required to prove that PQ is parallel to RS. You're just going to play
Yes.
around the ratio of this side. Then if that is equal to the ratio of this side, then now you proved that this line is parallel to this one. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then if then you are cool with this proving parallel lines, we can quickly maybe move to some ones, those ones whereby we use some ratios. This one.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is a very good technique that you can ever use in Euclidean geometry.
Okay,
So
sir.
what you are going to do with this one, you note what you are given, and then you also note what you are required to find. So what are we given? We are given AB, but in terms of a ratio. So this is AB is 3, then we will give it the variable B3A. Okay. Then we are also given BC, we'll give it 2A. Okay. Then we are also given BC here. BC is with 6. Then you will say it's B. You are given CD, it's 5B. And then what now are you looking for? You are looking for, we can write it in terms of a fraction, AB over BC. Then what is AB? AB is 3A right here, is 3A. Okay, what is BC? BC, it's just, oh, CD, not BC, I'm sorry. This is CD. Let me just fix this. CD. And CD is 5B here. So 5B here. And then now what you need to do, since in this fraction of ours here, we have got two different variables, therefore we can't cancel them out. You need to express one variable in terms of the other variable, either A in terms of B or B in terms of A. So this is what we can do. With this portion here, you can see that for BC, we've got 6B is equal to 2A. We've got 6B is equal to 2A. Therefore, maybe we can just divide by 2 on both sides. getting that the value of A is equal to 3B. 3B. Okay, therefore that will give us 3. Wherever you see A, you plug 3B times 3B all over 5B. Then now this B can cancel out with that one. You're left with 9 over 5. Then you write it in terms of that ratio. That AB is to CD is equal to what is AB is 9 is to CD is 5. Does this make sense to you?
Sir, yes, it does.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Then let's go to the next one, maybe. And then let's say we have this one. Now you are the one who will tell me what to do on this one. This example 9. I will just listen and write whatever you're instructing me to do.
So we are given PQ as 2, so we can say 2, 2,
We are given, okay,
2A.
PQ. So you are saying we should say 2A here.
Yes, sir. And then
Okay,
QS is 2A.
okay,
3A, sorry, sir.
okay, this is 2A, and then QS right here is 3A.
3A.
You are saying, okay,
And then we're given QR as 5B.
QR here as 5B, okay,
And then RS as 3B.
as this one as 3B, okay, okay,
And then sir, we are required to calculate QR over PQ.
yes, we are
So
required, okay,
Q QR over
okay,
PQ
QR over PQ, okay,
Q is equal to 5B
then QR is 5B, okay, I agree.
over 2A.
Then PQ is 2A. Okay. Yes.
And then to get one of the variables to get the value of one of the variables, we can say that 3A is equal to 5B plus 3B
Therefore, 3A is equal to
is equal to
8B, right?
5B. Yes, sir. And then we
Okay.
can divide both sides by 8 maybe, or by 3. By 8, say.
So which one should I take? 8, ne?
8, say, yes.
Okay, 8 and 8. Therefore, now our B will
B
be
is
equal
equal to
to,
3 over 8A.
okay, that's our B. And then you come
Yes,
substitute
sir. We substitute the value of B on 5.
3 over 8, A,
A
this is A, all over
over
2A.
2A.
Yes, I get
Yes,
2A,
sir. And then our final answer is going to be
15A over 8 divided by 2 over 1A. Then this A cancel out with that one. Then now you can cross multiply, being left with 15 over 16. Is this correct?
yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay,
By
good.
8.
You are now a mathematician. I'm impressed. Okay, then let's now go to maybe apply this in the triangle. Now let's leave this and then go to the real triangle like this example 11. So in this example 11, we are given a sketch alongside such that AD is to DB is equal to 7:4 as a ratio, okay, and DG is to GC is 2:5. Now determine the ratio AF is to FC. What do you now think with this lesson? With this, I mean, with this problem, how do you think we can
I would
approach
say
this problem?
I would say 8D is equal to 7A.
Okay, you are saying you will say AD is 7A. Okay?
And then DB is 4A.
DB it's 4A. You are saying, okay, this will be 4A. Okay?
And then DG is 2B.
DG, where's DG? Oh, DG is right. This one here. You are saying DG will be 2A.
2B.
Oh, okay. You are saying this will be 2B. Okay?
And then GC will be 2B. 5B, sir. Sorry.
Oh, okay. No, it's fine. This will be 5B. Okay?
Yes, so to prove AF is to FC,
Yes, we
uh,
want that.
FC, I would start by saying
I'm gonna write that here.
A B A
AB,
B.
AB.
Yes, A B
Okay, AB.
over BC.
You are saying AB over BC. Hey, okay. AB over BC. Okay.
Is equal to AF over FC, I think.
You are saying that is equal to AF over FC. Okay.
No, okay, and then so our value
Then,
for A B would be no, it's prop theorem first.
okay, so what am I supposed to write
Prop theorem. But we don't have
here?
parallel, yeah, prop theorem say
Okay. Proof theorem, and then what are your parallel lines?
D no okay, we don't have parallel lines on BC. It's
Mm-hmm.
the problem.
Yes.
So which makes it wrong. Say
Yes, is. And very, very, very wrong, not just wrong. Mm-hmm. So, what I would advise you to do, okay, with this side AB, okay, it have got these parallel lines from that side that you're having AB. So you can just first maybe focus on the triangle ABF. ABF. Then now you're gonna say A AD over DB. That is equal to AE over EF. Then prop theorem, then you state your parallel lines that DE is parallel to BF. Does this part make sense?
yes, sir.
Yes. Then if okay, what was the ratio for AD over DB was 7 over
Seven
4.
4
Yes, 7 over 4 is equal to AE now over EP. I mean EF, not EP.
EF.
E, EF, yes, I'm sorry. EF, yeah. So now we agree that the ratio for this is 7 over 4, but now with a different variable. Maybe variable for here will be C because B is already here on this side.
Yes, sir.
You get it here, ne?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And then now what else can we do? We can now go to the ratio that we have in DG is to GC. We can now use that triangle ADE and move from this side DGGC to EFFC. Do you agree to that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then now we can just scratch this out. We are going to have that side DG over GC is equal to EF over FC. Reason being, prop theorem,
Um,
then you state your parallel lines that DE is parallel to GF.
yeah.
Okay. What is DG? DG there is
It's 2
2
over 5.
over 5 is equal to EF over FC. Okay. And then we are saying our EF is going to be 2, but with different variable.
2D.
2D,
2D.
yes, 100% correct.
And
Then
then
EF
EF is equal to 2D.
is equal to 2D. Okay,
5D.
EF
5D. 5D,
F,
sir.
yes, correct. This will be 5D. Okay, I think now we have something now that you can use now. Okay, we
Yes,
want
sir. We can.
AF. What we want is AF over FC. Now you can cook something, I think, here. What do you think now we can do here?
So aren't we first supposed to prove that DC is actually parallel to BC, or isn't that possible?
To prove what? DC?
That DC is parallel to BC.
DC is parallel to BC. No, 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 no. You don't have to. Why first do you want to prove that DC is parallel to BC?
To be able to determine the ratios in AF.
No. You can determine that ratio without you having other information or other parallel lines. Can't you maybe see?
No, say
Is it? This I thought when you are here now you can see it. Look, what is AF? Okay, AF is this whole side, meaning it's going to be that 7 plus this 4, right? Do you agree?
yes, sir.
That AF now is going to be 11C over FC is this side is going to be
5D. Oh,
5D.
I see now, say.
Yes, it's going to be
So and then we
5D.
can say 2D is equals to 7
For
7C plus 4C.
yes. Sorry?
We can say 2, no, 11C is equals to 2D.
11C. No. Remember, 2C, I mean, this 4C is for EF, only EF, and 11C will be for AF. Can you see that?
So 4C is equals to 2D, say.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes. Then that's what you will use to find the relationship between C and D. Now you can just quickly say 4C is equal to 2D. You divide by
divide
2,
by 2.
divide
D is
by 2.
equals to 2C.
Aha, 2C. Then now you come here, you are having 11C all over 5
5,
times
2C.
2C. That C goes out with this C. You're going to be
Cancelled.
left with 11 over 10. Therefore, this ratio here will be equal to 11
A
is
over
to 10.
10.
Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I thought to
Oh,
get the ratio, we need to actually start to prove that two sides are equal. Maybe that's why.
oh. Oh, yeah, I get you. I get. Sometimes it can work, sometimes no, it cannot work because I think that will be you making things be complicated for yourself if you do it that way. Because you
So,
can try by all means to prove that I think DC is parallel to BC, but I don't think you'll ever win. So if you have the ratios for that whole side you're working with, just try to get the relationship between those variables that you introduced. In this case, it was C and D, and then you work out your ratio.
okay, sir.
Yes. Now let's go to the other one. Let's say we are having, oh, in fact, now it's real problems exercises, not just those examples. We are saying here, let me just see if I can be able to share the screen so that we can have the enough space for us to write. Can I share the entire screen? Okay, I can here. And then I will do this, and then I will share something maybe here. I want to share something that we can write on. Uh, Maybe this one can be enough. Okay, maybe we use this part. Let me do this, and then I come to this part. Can you see my screen that side?
Yes, sir.
What maybe are you seeing?
I can't see the question. Yeah, I can see now, sir.
Okay, this is what I want to do, and then now I want to take this a little. Okay, okay. Okay. So we have got this exercises. Is it fine with zooming?
Yes, sir, it's fine. Thank you.
Oh, okay, fine. What's now happening? Okay, I think it's cool. So they are saying here in the sketch alongside AB is parallel to PC, and we can see that AB
Yes,
is
sir.
parallel to PC. Okay, fine. And then we are given a PA right here. Okay, actually, you are the one who is going to tell me what to do. We are given PA is to AQ as 2 is to
PA
5.
is 2A,
Okay, you are saying PA is 2A. This is gonna be
and then
2A,
AQ is 5A.
and then AQ is going to be 5A. Okay.
BC is equal to
O-
4A.
Okay,
4B,
BC.
B say 4B.
BC is 4B. Okay.
B. And then CR is 9B.
CR is 9B. 9B. Okay.
So, sir, we can start by saying PA, PA over AQ.
Okay, you are now saying, let me quickly move to this part, and then we are writing. You are saying P
PA
PA
over AQ
over AQ
is equals to CB over BQ.
is equal to CB over BQ. I
BQ,
agree.
which is equals to 2 over 5.
That is going to be equal to 2 over 5. Okay.
Prop theorem.
I thought you're going to forget that reason. Okay, prop
and then
theorem, but I can see that. Okay. Now you state
and
your
then
parallel line.
PC
AB is
is
parallel to.
parallel to AB.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
Then
then
now
we can say CB is equals to
I will
two
say
two
this.
C.
You are saying, uh, you
We
are
can
saying
say BC is
BC.
equals to 2B. 2
Okay.
C, I mean.
Let me come here. You are saying this will be 2C. Okay.
Yes, sir. And then
Yes.
BQ will be 5C.
BQ will be 5C. Okay.
Okay, so and then now we can say that QB over CR
QB over CR, okay.
is equal to 5C over 9B.
Okay, QB is going to be 5C. I agree. 5C all over CR. CR is
Yes,
9B, right?
9B.
Okay, and then now how do we do?
And then we can set 4B is equal to 4C.
You are saying 4B is equal to 4C.
Yes, sir.
Where does that come from?
Because they are both the values for B, C, sir, and we're trying to get the value of one variable.
Where did you get 4C maybe? Maybe I'm mistaken.
4B is equal to 4C. Is equal to
Well,
2C.
exactly. These are the careless mistakes that we do when we are in the exam. But yes, it's 2C, not 4C. So you are saying
Sorry, sir.
2C equal to
Is equal to
4B now.
4B. And then we
Okay.
can divide both sides by 2.
Okay, 2 and then 2. Therefore, now our
And then C
C
is
will be
equal to
2B.
2B.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then now we
So
have
we
2.
can substitute 5 as times 2B over
Okay.
9B.
Yes. This
The
cancel
B's
out.
cancel out. And then we
Over
have
9.
10 over 9,
Therefore,
which
we
is
are
the
having
ratio
this ratio as 10
as
is
10
to
over 9.
9.
10 is to 9.
100% correct. Now, what about that number 2? This number 2
CR
here?
is to QC. Okay, sir. So this
Yes.
one, I can just, okay, because say I got the value for, wait,
Okay, I'm
yes, sir.
listening.
Because I got the value for C as 2B, can't I substitute onto the 5C and the 2C to actually get like the same variables on this side?
Oh, you can.
Yes, sir. So I would say 5C,
Or you would say 5C.
no, not 5C, sir, 5 times 2B.
Okay, let me do this. You are
Okay,
saying,
but it wouldn't work. It wouldn't work. Okay.
okay, okay, then now let
So
me wait
I'm
for
gonna
me.
say I mean CR
Okay, CR
over QC
over QC. Okay,
is equals to
is equal to
9B
9B. Okay, CR is this one that we found here. Okay, I agree, is 9B. Okay, that is 9B. Okay,
and then to get the value for QR we have to say
to get QR name.
yes, so we can say that 9B is equal 9B plus 4B
You are saying is 9B
plus
plus
4B
4B. Okay,
all
are you done?
divided by no
Wait.
is equal
Um, okay, what I
ish.
say? Can you
I say
see
I don't
that?
know.
Can you see that QR is the whole of this side? Can you see that?
Yes, I can.
Yes. Therefore, now you can see that maybe QR is this 9C for 9B for this part plus that 4B plus the other part, the other piece for 5C.
Yes, sir,
Does,
I can.
does it make sense?
Yes, it does. It
Are you
does.
sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh,
So
okay,
we can
fine.
substitute the value for C that we got to B. So we
Yes, you
can
can
say 5
substitute for the
times
video.
2B.
Yes. Now we are going to have 9b all over. This is going to give me 9 and 4 is going to give me
30B.
b plus 10b, right?
5. Yes,
Therefore, that will be 9b all over 23b.
3B.
Then that's 9 cancel, b cancel out with b. We are going to be left with 9 over
9 over 23
23. Therefore, the ratio for this is 9 is to 23.
is to 23.
Does it now make sense to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was being confused by the two values that are at BC.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir, it does make sense.
So yeah, this is what you just need to do there in paper to on Monday. You just need to play around your values, play around your values, play around your values until you win.
Yes, sir.
Then let me maybe look for another question that we can do. Let's maybe please try. Oh, hey, we are pushing most. Let's maybe please try this number E here with you. You maybe tell me what I can do to do that question.
So, sir, we're given that KN KN
Okay, KN.
as
Yes,
as 5A
yes. So you want me to say this is 5A, okay?
A and then NL as 3A
And L is 3A, okay.
and then LP I mean is 6B.
LP, where's LP, LP, LP? This is, okay, here is it. LP, LP is 6B, ne?
Yes, sir.
6B, okay.
And then
And
PQ is
okay,
7B.
this is 7B, okay.
And then we're being
Then
asked to
now,
calculate the ratio of QM over
yes.
KR. So,
Uh,
sir,
I,
I would
now
start by saying,
I believe in you that you're just gonna do this everything here without any assistance. But okay, let me just have faith on you.
say, say.
Yes.
So I would say QP over PL,
So you are saying QP
P
over
over PL,
PN.
L
Okay.
is
Yes.
equals to QR over RM.
QR over RM.
M and then is equals to
Oh,
7 over 6.
7 over 6. Okay.
And then is equals to a prop theorem.
Then prop theorem. Then you state your parallel lines.
Is so and then I would
Yes.
set QR as 7C.
So you are saying you will say this is 7C.
Yes, sir. And then I would set RM as 6C.
6C. Okay.
Okay, sir. And
Okay.
then I would say um QMKR. So we do need the value for KQ. So I would say
Yes.
KN
Okay.
over
You are saying
NL
now Kn over
over NL
Nl is equal to
is equals to KR
K. R
over
over
RM.
RM. Okay.
Hmm? And then, so can we use the converse theorem here?
You forgot this. But whatever. Okay.
Oh,
You
oh,
were
oh,
saying
oh,
yes. You
oh.
forgot the reason.
Oh,
You were
so
saying
I thought the only parallel lines were PR and LM. I didn't see that NR is actually parallel to LM. So yeah,
yes.
but now I see.
Yes. Yes.
So we can put, so say we can add that is equals to 5/3 there, say on the side.
So, KR, right?
Yes, sir. So it's 5D
5D.
and then 3D.
This will be 3D. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir. So and then QM over
Now
QR
we want QM over
over
Q
QR.
QR. Okay.
Okay, so QM is 7C plus 6C. So we can have it as 7 plus 6, 13C
So 13C.
over QR. No, so
Yes.
it's KR, not QR. It's KR.
Okay. Yes, KR. Oh, sorry, sorry. I also didn't notice
Yes.
this. I'm sorry. It's KR. Yes.
So it's 5D.
Can I please quickly fix this K here? It's K here. So you are saying it's
5D, say.
KR is 5D. Okay. 5D. Okay.
And then on the side, I would say 6C is equals to 3D
I want to see something. It seems like you are cooking. Okay.
is
6C is
equals
equal
to
to 3D.
3D. And then
Okay.
I would divide both sides by 3.
You divide by 3, divide by 3. Then
And
it
then I would
gives
get
you,
3D as 2C.
okay.
So I'm gonna have 13C
Okay.
over 5 times 2C, which is 10C.
So, okay. Then this cancel out with that. We are going to be
Yes,
left with
13 over
13
10.
over 10. Yes. Therefore,
So our
this,
ratio is 13 is to 10.
yes, I agree. You are
Yeah, now
cooking.
I'm confident now.
I love this. I love this. Also on Monday, you need to be this confident. Now, yes, let's move to this number two.
Um, KQ is to RM. Okay,
Yes.
so to get the value of KQ, can't I
Yes.
say 5D minus 7C, say?
Oh, yes, you can. You can say KQ
Okay,
is equal to
minus
5D, D not
D
A, minus
minus 7C.
7C. Yes, you can.
Okay, we got our value for D as 2C, so we can just say 5 times 2C,
Which is going to be
10C
10C minus
minus
7C
7C, which is
gives me
3C.
3C. So we are now saying this is going to be 3C here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, and then we can just say KQ over RM.
So you are saying KQ over RM.
M is equals to 3C over 6C.
So KQ is equal to, where is
Is
KQ? You
3C
are saying, okay, you are saying this is going to be 3C over
over 6C.
RM. RM is 6C, and then that gives you half.
Yes, sir.
100%
Ah,
correct. You are now cooking. You are now cooking.
I'm
I've got
cooking, so I'm cooking.
And that's good. Very, very impressive. I'm now impressed, eh? So
Thank you,
now
sir.
we have got this number F here, which is the last one. Do you mind if I use, because now I think it's 4 o'clock already. Do you mind if we can do this number F now for the last question?
No, sir, I don't mind.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
this one seems complicated. I don't mind, sir.
Okay, it's cool. Then, yeah, you can tell me what to do because here they are saying in the sketch alongside, we are given that PU is parallel to QT. Okay, this is very, very important. And then you're also given that PT is parallel to QS. That's very important. And then some extra information. Oh, this is nice. Okay, now what do you think we can do in this? Oh, match is fun.
Okay, sir. Okay, I would divide both sides by P. Hmm?
Okay.
PQ
There we are
over.
given, this is what we are given. We are given 5 PQ is equal to 2 PR, like this. So you are
Yes, sir.
saying
So
we'll
I would
divide both
divide
sides.
both sides by PR.
Okay, which means you are going to have 5 PQ over PR is equal to 2. Yes.
Huh? Second, I divide
Mm-hmm.
by 2 PR instead of PR.
Hmm.
Yes.
That's fine. But don't doubt yourself. When you get
Okay,
here,
I would
what
say, I would say over one and then I cross multiply.
you cross multiply by what? Maybe
Cross multiply and then it's going to be 5 PQ is equals to, okay, it takes me back.
you back. Yes. Now when you are here, you can just multiply by 1/5 on both sides or divide by 5 on both sides.
Oh, to get rid of the 5. Okay, so
Yes. So now what you are going to have here, let's say you divided by that 5 on both sides, you will be left with this. PQ over PR will be 2 over 5. Do you agree to that?
yes, sir. Yes, I
Yes.
agree.
And oh, then now over to you, ma'am. I'm leaving it to you now.
And then PQ is equal to 2A.
Okay, you are saying this PQ will be 2A. You are saying.
And then yes, sir. And then PR is equal to 5A.
Okay, this will be 5A. Therefore, now this
And
will
then
be
to get,
3. This will be
yes, QR,
3A.
I can simply say 5A minus 2A, which is 3A.
Aha.
So, and then I can say PQ over QR is equals to TS over SR.
You are saying PQ over QR.
Yes, sir, is equals to TS over SR,
TS over SR. I agree.
which is prop theorem. QS
With
is parallel to PT.
a proportionality theorem, then you use the ideal parallel lines at PT is parallel to QS. Okay.
So TS is
Mhm.
2B,
So you
and
are
then
saying this will be 2B. Okay, my B is bad.
SR would be 5B.
So this SR will be 5B, is it?
Yes, sir.
What?
No, no, no,
Oh,
sir. Sorry,
uh,
sorry, sir. It's
no,
3B, 3B, sir.
I think I'm the one who's wrong. I was not supposed to equate this here. Let me just do
Yes,
this.
sir.
I was not supposed
Because
to
it's not
equate.
equal to the same value, sir. Yes, so
Yes,
it's
yes.
3B.
So this is equal to PQ over QR, not PR.
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
My
So it's
apology. I'm sorry for that.
3B.
So this is 3B here. Okay.
Yes, sir. And then I can say that PQ over QR.
You are saying PQ
PQ over QR
over QR.
is equals to UT
You are saying this is equal to UT
over TR.
over TR. Okay.
Prop theorem, QT is parallel to PU.
Prop theorem, and then you are saying now PU is parallel to QT. Okay.
Yes, sir. So UT would be 2C,
This will be 2C. Okay.
and then TR would be 5C.
Hmm? Hmm? Oh,
Yes,
look
sir.
out, man. Watch out. Don't rush. Look at what you are equating.
QR
5C.
PQ over QR is equals to UT over TR. Oh, so it's 3C.
Yes, 3C. Don't rush. You will make some careless mistakes there on Monday. But yeah, okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, it's fine.
So
It's
we're
fine.
looking for US over SR. So, okay, sir. I would say
US over SR.
over SR. But sir,
Yes.
actually, I would start by saying, yeah, I would start by saying 2B plus 3B is equals to 3C.
So you are saying 5B is equal to 3C.
3C.
Mm-hmm.
And then divide by 3.
Okay, then now we are going to get C is equal to 5 over 3B. Is this what you are saying?
Yes, sir. And then I would say 2 times, I would change my values here, the ratios. I would say 2 times 5 over 3B, which would give me
10 over, I
over
think
3B.
10 over 3B.
Okay, I
Yes.
took the longer way, but yeah, say 3B.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
And then I would do the same for the 3C. I would say 3 times 5 over 3.
Which is 15B over 3, which is just 5B,
5 over the, yeah, 5B. It's 5B.
which is just 5B.
B.
This is
So my
5B.
US,
So you are saying your
my
US, okay?
my US would be the 10 over 3B plus the 2B,
10 over,
which will
plus
give
that
me
was
16
5B.
over 3
So you can just write that as
plus
16
2B.
over 3. This is B. That is B over SR. SR is 3B, right?
No, say we can't use that for US. The 15 over 3, we can't because it's the whole of TS. We are supposed to
Oh,
use 2B.
my bad. Oh, at least now you can see where I make some mistakes. I'm glad. So you are saying US is this plus
UT
2B.
plus TS.
So
Yes.
2B, we can write that 2B. Let me just erase this. So 2B for me is going to be 6 over. I just want to make the denominators the same. Do you agree to this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And
Okay,
then
and then
over
SR.
SR, we have the value for SR as 3B.
Yes, okay.
So for the numerator, we can just say 10 plus 6, which is 16 over 3B
16B over 3B all over
over
3B.
3B.
Okay.
The B's will cancel out
The B's will cancel out. And then you
and
have
we would
16
get
over
16
3
over 9.
divided by 3. We get
16 over
16 over
9.
9. Yes, I
Yes, sir.
agree. We get 16 over 9. Therefore, this is US over
Over SI.
SR. Mm-hmm. I can see now you're confident. I think you're going to kill it, eh? I just think you're going to kill it. Then tomorrow we will be continuing with these ratios with the class of grade 12 so that we can start this part of the area ratios. It's a nice part, eh?
Okay, sir.
Then also please don't forget for that part of grade 11, please man, on Monday. Whenever you see that you did a geometry for grade 11, just don't forget my favorite technique, please. DRCPT
Dr.
Dr.
Kipta.
Please, Dr. Captain, you will never go wrong with this technique whereby you
So, sir,
remember
it's
the
diameter.
sorry? Yes, this is the
It's
diameter of the
diameter,
circle,
radius,
the radius, yes.
and then,
And then
sir.
this is the cyclic quad. This is the cyclic quadrilateral, whereby now when you get to this C, you need to know those properties of a cyclic quad. That a cyclic quad is that quadrilateral with those four corners on the circumference, whereby
Yes,
now
sir.
the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary, and again this and that are supplementary. Then also note that if this line is extended, I'm sorry for that. If this line here is extended, this out angle will be equal to that angle. Reason being,
Plus.
exterior angle of a cyclic quad is equal to interior opposite angle. Then
Yes, sir.
also with that angles in the same segment, note it if it is there on the question page, and then highlight it that this angle is equal to that angle, and this angle is equal to that angle. Reason being angles in the same
Inside.
segment. 100% correct. Then you also note this technique P for parallel lines. This P only applies now where maths is only fun. Then if maths is not fun, you cannot apply that P for parallel lines. You only apply it where maths is fun, knowing that if this line is parallel to this line, this angle will be equal to that angle, reason being corresponding angles, and then you state your parallel lines. For you, if this line is parallel to that one, you know that when you add this angle to that angle, you get 180 degrees. Reason being co-interior angles. Then you state your parallel lines. Same applies with this one. If this is parallel to that one, this angle will be equal to that angle. Reason being alternate angles. You state your parallel lines afterwards. This one only applies if there are parallel lines. Then you can say maths is fun. Does this make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then there's that T for tangent, then whereby there's that tan chord theorem, then now you can play around the tan chord theorem. And then you are done with that grade 11 part. That's all. That's all you
Okay,
can
sir.
do.
I'll
And then
keep
after
that
after
in
this
mind.
after this analysis of the RCPT, you can dive into the question. Then everything will be answered there.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am, and have a good weekend and good luck on Monday. I'm now logging out.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.